Healthy living with Intermountain Healthcare.
Schools are closed, kids are at home. The COVID-19 pandemic is weighing heavily not only on you, but our children. Joining me now from Intermountain Primary Children's Hospital is social worker Orly Bills III. Thank you so much for being here.
Thanks for having me.
So we add on an earthquake, and kids and families are on edge right now. How do we address that?
Yeah, fear does a lot of things to us, physically, emotionally, psychologically. One of the most important things I think people can do immediately is maintain routine and consistency in the house. In my job at primaries, I work with a lot of families that deal with grief. And one of the things I tell them that is helpful is maintaining routine in the home, right? Trash still needs to be taken out, schoolwork still needs to be done, chores need to happen. Maintain that consistency and routine as much as possible.
Orly, how do you even start with a routine when nothing is the same? Work isn't the same, the school isn't the same. We're now, people who do not homeschool are now having to learn even how to do that and find the time and possibly work, or like everything seems out of whack, to be honest.
Yeah, so we have this idea up at primaries called your new normal. So everything's changed, everything's flipped. And I think what you have to do, from me, from a clinical perspective, you have to look at what you're afraid of, where this fear comes from, right? Everything's upended. So if you take your anxiety, your fear, and you hold it up and you look at it and you say, this is what scares me because this is how everything has changed. And then you can start to break it apart a little bit. And having that communication with your family, with your kids, and having them have the opportunity to be able to kind of say, this is what I worry about, this is what scares me. Having these questions, being able to
vocally say that even to your children.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. There's a power in the spoken word. And so having kids being able to voice that, having you be able to voice, this is what I worry about too, but here's our plan as a family, here's what we're gonna do. So if you have communication between parents, or heck, even if you're a single parent and you have to say, here's what I worry about, here's my plan to approach some of these worries, and then bringing it to the kids. And I think coming together as a family and making, having kids have tasks and chores, it provides a sense of control for people to say.
And productivity, honestly.
Yes,
and
absolutely.
Coming together, when you say the power of words is so powerful, but also coming together, I think that's the silver lining of we are spending more time and being connected. How do you find the signs? Because my kids, my 5- and 8-year-olds seem fine, but are there signs we should be looking out for to address that, to make sure that they are truly okay?
Yeah, great question, because I think you will start to see, as parents, you know your child better than anyone. And so how that will manifest itself is different for every family. And I think if you start to see behavior changes for kids there's shifts in behavior that are okay and tolerable for you. But there are things like some kids, when routine gets completely upended for really young kids, potty training goes out the window. Like they start wetting the bed and and parents go, what's happening here? What's going on? And not trying to shame that or call it out, but to help ease that, talk about it, and help guide kids back into it's okay. And that's where the routine and communication and control comes back by saying, this is your job now. Your job is to help make sure the tables are wiped down.
And I want to end with this, though, is to have some hope. Like to make sure that there is a virus. People are on top of it trying to cure these folks, right?
Yes, absolutely. And I would say pick your sources. Pick like 1 or 2 sources that you go to for information, because it's overwhelming and it's scary and
we don't know a lot of information right now.
Correct.
All right, Orly Bill, thank you so much. From
Thank you.
Intermountain Primary Children's Hospital, intermountainhealthcare.org is another resource you can go to. We have a link on our website, abc4.com/GTU.